targeting me. You're trying to kick me out of the race. That's a smoke detector, guys. You know how to check it by pushing that button. But did you know on the back, there's an expiration date. All right. It says expired, replace every 10 years. Right there on the left, replace every 10 years. And right there, April 1st, 2023 is when this one was made. So it's only good for 10 years. I'm sure a lot of you had a bunch of them going off Thanksgiving while you're making dinner.
Don't ever forget.
So make sure you're checking them, all right? Make sure you're checking them.